Hi food lovers, let's make groundnut oil and kuli from scratch. I first start by toasting my peanuts and removing the peels, and then I'm gonna blend everything with some dried ginger and pepper till it's smooth in my butcher mix blender. Yeah, it does the job effortlessly. So you'll be adding little bit of water as you go and just keep stirring. Here I just added a pinch of salt, and then keep stirring and be adding small quantity of water as you go until you have something like this. I'm extracting the first batch of my oil and I divided the dough into two. So for the salty version, you're just going to mold it like this or anyhow you want, and for the sweet version I added some maize flour and sugar and knead until I have something like that. Mold it into the desired shape and size, and then you fry in that same oil you extract. It's also gonna help further purify the oil. So fry until your kuli is well fried. That's the salty version and this is the sweet version, and this is the quantity of oil I got from that measurement. Yeah, you might not submit error because we do everything from scratch here. So look at how crunchy and nice this kuli is. You can find the detailed version on my YouTube channel. Bye.